Housing giant Fannie Mae says a, quote, modest recession could happen later next year, but says it won't be like 2008. So if you're still looking to buy a home but don't think you can afford it, some Americans are house hacking their way to home ownership, and rent-free living could be an option. Anthony Sean Marshall explains.
Ordinary people are paying off their mortgage, living rent-free, and making residual income from something called house hacking, or ways to generate income from their homes. That's how real estate expert Keith Weinhold started his journey to wealth, by turning a $12,000 down payment into $1 million worth of real estate, then used that equity to upgrade to larger real estate.
Perhaps the best way to house hack in real estate that can build your wealth is exactly how I started. You can use an FHA loan with just a 3.5% down payment, live in one unit, rent out the other 3 units of the Fourplex. You only need a minimum credit score of 580, but you just need to live in one of the units for at least 12 months yourself.
Weinhold says a bankruptcy doesn't have to stop you from getting started.
Even if you have a bankruptcy on your record, if you have a little trouble coming up with a 3.5% down payment, you can even take some of the out-of-pocket costs that you would have had for closing costs and roll those into the loan amount.
There are a few lesser-known tactics to house hacking that don't involve moving in tenants or buying properties. There are apps made to help you rent out your pool, your yard space as a dog park, your roof to solar power companies, and even your driveway to RV owners. Or you could live in an RV and travel the world while renting your entire home out. You can even have your house classified as a farm by selling eggs, Christmas trees, vegetables, or plants. With a little research, your extra space could be making you money. Sean Marshall, NTD News.